Hello everyone, my name is Ziad Salame and I'm the founder and CEO of Master BI. We help EPC companies like yours through data-driven intelligence. Please join us on our third video and I hope you get some value out of this.
Today, we are diving into a crucial topic for construction projects: systems versus business intelligence. Ever wondered about the distinctions and the indispensable role they play in steering your project towards success? In my previous video, I talked about efficient versus effective, and I emphasized the importance of driving the project to be more effective by moving horizontally versus vertically. And I highlighted a great example why being efficient is not good enough. So stick around as we unravel the importance of having both systems and business intelligence, and why business intelligence is an absolute must. Firstly, let's talk about systems. ERPs, materials management, and supply chain systems are the backbone of many top EPC construction companies. It integrates core business processes within the same function and also the more complex cross-functional, such as engineering, design, procurement, inventory, and project schedule, into one comprehensive system. This leads to improved efficiency, streamlined operations, and a unified view of your project goals. It's like the command center that keeps everything in sync. Now, let's shift gears to business intelligence or BI. While ERP systems handle operational data, BI focuses on turning the data into actionable insights. It's the Sherlock Holmes of your business. Extracting patterns, trends, and meaningful information from the vast pool of data generated by your ERP system or materials management system or supply chain systems. Let me show you an example. So this is an example of a business intelligence we provide to our clients, and this is coming from a spool fabrication a contract. And a spool fabricator is kind of like a manufacturing plant that welds the pipe with the valves and fitting and flanges per specific drawings and design and get shipped to the job site to be installed there. And the spool fabrication is one of the most complex part on a project because you're dealing with a massive amount of material and spools. It's one of the most difficult thing to manage. Let's put it that way, and you need some serious business intelligence to manage it. And this is one of the reports that we provide in that effort, just to kind of like track the progress. And let me explain this to you right here. At the bottom is the week, and this is the spool count that they produce. The blue line is the planned schedule for completion of these spools, and the red line is the actual completion. And in a little bit, I will talk about this linear line. As you can see here, the gap with time, it start to get wider and wider and wider. What does that mean? That the spool fabricator is not meeting the schedule. That means some serious risk to the project in delays. And that means there's a lot of penalties going to be involved, a lot of contractual problems that's going to arise from this. The benefit of BI is it will tell you a story of what happened and will forecast into the future what is that going to look like. So as I said, they're behind schedule, and this line, the red line, the linear regression line, that's kind of like forecast a trend of the performance of the spool fabricator. And early on, that line will tells you ahead of time that is not going to meet the schedule. It's actually 3 4 months delay on the schedule, which is this is a serious problem. The good thing about it, we were able to capture this early on here in the project, not at the time of installation where you don't have anything available and it won't arrive till 4 or 5 months after you actually need it. So we advised our client about this issue. Of course, there's a lot of interaction that happened, trying to resolve that, and we got to that point right here. You see this drop. So after assessing the risk, whether to pull out of the spool fabricator, split the scope with another spool fabricator, figure out what to do and weigh all the risks, because there's contractual risks, there's material risk, there's so many elements and factors that we assessed at that time. And we came up with a new plan. That's why you see the drop here. So that's the new plan right now they have to follow. And you can see here they followed the first week, second, third, 4 week. Then you can see the gap start getting wider and wider, and they are start falling behind schedule again. So that tells you that there's an issue here, and you go and weigh the risks again and see what you're gonna do to mitigate the problem before it's really too late and it'll become really a bad situation. So that's the power of business intelligence. It will let you act ahead of time before anything happens. Here's the key. Business intelligence is not just a nice to have, it's a must. BI takes your system's data and transforms it into strategic insights. It's the compass that guides your decision making, helping you understand market trends, supplier behavior, areas of improvement, and most importantly, of course, the material availability. Without BI, you may have data, but you lack critical insights needed to steer your business in the right direction. Now imagine the synergy of having both an ERP system or material management system and a business intelligence working hand in hand. Your operational data seamlessly flows into BI tools, providing you with the holistic view of your business landscape. It's not just about managing operations, it's about optimizing and thriving in a dynamic business environment. Master BI, we provide you with both the systems that you need to integrate and work efficiently and effectively, and also we can provide you with the business intelligence that your business really need to thrive and be able to complete the project on schedule and within budget and end up with a happy client. Now, you don't have to have systems to have business intelligence. Even if you don't have any systems, we can connect our business intelligence to your process, whether you're using Excel sheets, you're using one warehouse system, for example, or different purchasing and accounting systems. It doesn't matter. We can connect the business intelligence to multiple data sets and provide you with the business that you need. And the future projects will talk, future videos will talk about the automation and machine learning and AI. But before we end this video, I was just going to give you a quick illustration of what's that look like. Um, when you have no system or BI, it's just like the Flintstones cartoon. I am that old. I used to watch this when I'm a kid. I have to explain it. That's like a prehistoric cartoon where everything is manual. You stop your car, his feet is burning because of the brakes. Um, when you use systems, it's just like having a normal car that will get you from A to B. Um, Hopefully, it's reliable, won't break on the way. Hopefully, you'll know your way and know where you're taking your team on this trip and not making a lot of wrong turns that will cost you a lot of time and money. And with systems and BI, it's just like having a Tesla. You have a navigation system, you have a comfortable car, you have a safe car. If you're going the wrong route, it will tell you what's the right path to take, and if there is an accident on the way or a problem, help you navigate around it. So, in conclusion, while systems ensure the smooth functioning of your business, business intelligence is the beacon that guides you through the complexity of executing a project. To truly thrive, it's not a matter of system versus BI. It's a matter of having both. So consider this your strategic imperative. Invest in a system and make business intelligence a cornerstone of your decision making process. So Master BI is an industry focus. As I said, will provide you with the systems and the business intelligence. So if you are owner operator company, you're undertaking new projects that are executed by a contractor, or you have an existing plan and you're looking to digitize your procurement and supply chain, or you have a turnaround projects, or even if you're a construction company, you want to venture into the EPC market space, or you're outgrowing your current process and systems and looking for more advanced solutions. And at the same time, you want to avoid this expensive legacy software and complex implementation that cost millions of dollars and years of implementation. Uh, Please consider Master BI. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of systems and business intelligence. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and most importantly, write a comment. I would like to hear your thoughts on this segment and maybe share an experience that could benefit all of us. Please reach out to us if you are interested in a demo or you have any questions that we may be able to help you with. I will leave our info at the end of this video, or you can get it from this post. Again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.